Hey everyone, Andrew here from CHK Power Quality, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install the Citrus software for our Miro and Mirin devices. So without further ado, let's begin. First thing you'll want to do is to go ahead and open up your internet browser. Once opened, type in the address bar www.chkpowerquality.com.au. From here you will want to navigate to the Support tab and then click on Downloads. Click on the download link called Citrus Software. Once the software has finished downloading, click on the file and run the install wizard. It will ask where to choose to install the Citrus software. Select your location and click Install. Once the installation has finished, simply click on the Windows Start button and type in Citrus. For more tips like these, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at www.chkpowerquality.com.au. See you next time.